Our project is about security alert system through face detection using machine learning. We are doing our project is on a CC camera surveillance, whether the person is authorized or unauthorized person. In recent years, security has been becoming a major issue. Many exposures are being taken place regarding providing security at business space, schools, universities, etc. By recognizing face-based security in alarm system, etc. Traditional face recognition method based on visible spectrum are facing challenge like object illusion, pose variation, expression change, and facial designation. So it leads and encourages and research for continued research in the area of facial recognition. Home security is a very useful application for machine learning, and we are using it and create an inexpensive security system for home as well as industrial use. The system will inform the owner about any unauthorized entry or whenever some suspicious movement take place in front of the webcam by sending a notification to the user. After the user gets the notification, he can take the necessary action on the message. Our project present how to recognize the inside and outside and sends a message to the owner through email. If any outside is a person in a group of people, the suspicious activities are recognized by using machine learning techniques such as neural network concept and identifying unknown person by OpenCV concept. We provide security system by alert through email service. Our project creates a module for receiving message using Python code email. Our project works just as how a dog reacts when an another enter that house and when no one in that house. So the main aim of our project is to use machine learning techniques in camera to detect any introduce in the specific area and alert the owner while the alert message along the email. The main aim of our project recognizing the object by using different facial parameters by using machine learning algorithm. Compare the facial parameters with predefined data set which we already trained and identify the authorized person. Scope of the project. Designing the prototype to get alert notification if the unknown or unauthorized enters the protocol. Our system can immediately notify the user through mail. Introduction. The introduction of the project. The proposed alert system mechanism helps to notify the unauthorized person by transforming signal or information to the user over mail or SMS. In this project entitled Security Alert System through Face Detection using Machine Learning, it can be various applications such as banking sector, private area, schools, hospitals, and home, etc. So that our project system acts like smart dog, characterizes with and identify the unknown or suspicious person in various environment. The main object of the project system are recognizing the object by using different facial parameters. By using machine learning algorithm, comparing the facial parameters with predefined dataset which we all already trained and identify the authorized person. Designing the prototype to get alert notification. If the unknown or unauthorized entering to the protocol, our system can immediately notify the user through mail. The main drawback of the existing system is it can be used only for identifying the person alone, but it cannot identify the unauthorized and unauthorized person. Here we propose the hybrid concept mechanism to combine with IoT and artificial intelligence to get the alert notification in various sectors. Therefore, our proposed system is to overcome the drawback of existing alert mechanism. In suspicious movement taking place in front of the working webcam can be determined by using neural network concept in machine learning such as finding the distance between the source and destination point. Classification of image or the person's face in front of the webcam are classified using classification algorithms such as cascade classification, SVM, KNN, and etc. Literature review. Here you can see the literature review. We had done the study about this literature review through the previous existing projects. Here you can see every single project. Design and methodologies. Creation of database. For the recognition of the authorized and unauthorized person, we are providing the details like name, age, gender, and their verification in a database. Here you can see some of the examples we had included in our project. Training the dataset. Data collection and training using machine learning algorithm. Training the system with data. We need to train the system which we had given the data for the database. Standards of the and policies. Here you can see the standards and policies. IEEE 829 software testing documentation, IEEE 830 software requirement specification, IEEE 1012 software verification and validation, IEEE 1016 software design description. Implementation. Here we had implemented the architecture diagram, data flow diagram, ER diagram, sequential diagram, collaboration diagram. By implementing these architectures, data flows, ER diagrams, you can easily get the knowledge about our project, what we at what step we had implemented the project, what are the steps we had included, and what are the things we had done. Testing. Unit testing, functional testing, white box testing, black box testing. Unit testing. Unit testing is an designed to test small pieces of functionality rather than the system as a whole. Unit testing can be performed from the bottom up, starting with smallest and lower level and proceeding one at a time. For each module in bottom up testing, a short program is used to execute the module and provide the needed data. So the module is asked to perform the way it will when embedded with a large system, white box system. Mainly focus on the verification of the modules, internal security holes, broken or poorly structured path in the coding process, the flow of specific inputs through the code, expected output, the functionality of conditional loops, testing of each statement, object, and functional on an individual basis. Black box system. The main focus of black box testing is on the validation of our functional requirements. Black box testing gives abstraction from code and focus on the testing effort on the software system behavior. Black box testing facilitates testing communication among modules. This is the expected output we had got by uh, checking the authorized person. These are the outputs will be getting by our project. Name, age, gender, whether he is an authorized or unauthorized. These will be displayed in the message in the mail. Demo video we had included. Conclusion. In this project, we propose an effective alert system using convolution neural network concept and by using machine learning techniques such as SVM, cascaded classification, etc. Our project promises to find the authorized and unauthorized person when a person come in front of the webcam. Immediately, whenever an individual come in front of the camera, the user gets an alert message such as he can take further actions. These are the web links we had included, the YouTube and web reference link. These are the references we had done for project. Thank you.